Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. A B C. A is for aeroplane. B is for banana. C is for cat. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's start. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for aeroplane. A is for apple. Now I am drawing aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. I am drawing a aeroplane now. A is for aeroplane. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for banana. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for bike. B is for banana. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for car. Now I am drawing banana. B is for banana. B is for banana. I am drawing a banana. B is for banana. C is for cat. Now I am drawing cat. C is for cat. Watch the full video and subscribe this channel. Hey kids, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.